Hello, I'm James and thanks for joining me on Kalkine TV for the top ASX buzzing stocks for the day. In this show we'll take a look at 5 ASX listed stocks making headlines, beginning with Coles. Coles has today announced the appointment of 2 non-executive directors to the board, Terry Bowen and Scott Price. Mr Bowen currently serves on the boards of BHP Group and also Transurban Group, and Mr Price has more than 30 years of extensive FMCG, retailing and logistics experience. Coles Group Chairman James Graham said that Bowen and Price's appointments showcase that the board's composition has remained unchanged since the demerger in 2018. Today, Coles shares traded at $17.30 Australian, up by 0.35%. Moving on, in the dual-listed bank Virgin Money today announced the appointment of Sarah Weller, CBE, as a non-executive director of the company, effective as of the 3rd of October 2022. Sarah is appointed as the representative director of Virgin Enterprises under the terms of the brand licence agreement between Virgin Enterprises and the company itself. Weller said that she is looking forward to working with the board and management team at Virgin Money on the journey to provide brilliant digital experiences that will help to make customers happier. Today, Virgin Money shares traded at $2.62 Australian, up by 0.76%. Lithium and graphite explorer Lithium Energy is also in the news, having announced that drilling has now commenced at its highly prospective flagship Salares lithium brine project, which is located in Argentina in South America's world-renowned lithium triangle. Salares is located directly adjacent to lithium majors Allchem and Lithium Americas Corporation. The drilling program will initially comprise of 10 holes for 5,000 metres across Lithium Energy's extensive land holding on the Alares Salar. Today, Lithium Energy shares traded at $1.24 Australian, up by 7.83%. Also making news is Aussie mineral explorer Liontown Resources, who announced that they have executed a letter of award with Australian independent power producer Zenith Energy for power supply to the Kalkine Valley Lithium project in Western Australia. Zenith Energy will finance, design, construct, own, operate and maintain a 95 megawatts hybrid power station at Kalkine Valley for an initial term of 15 years from commercial operation of the hybrid power station, which is expected to coincide with the process plant commissioning in the first half of 2024. The hybrid power station will include wind generation from 5 wind turbines, each capable of generating 6 megawatts. Today, Liontown Resources traded at $1.80 Aussie cents, down by 0.28%. And lastly, the Australian developer and operator of private toll roads, Atlas Arteria, has responded to media speculation regarding its participation in the competitive sale process for the Chicago Skyway toll road. The company said that it regularly reviews growth opportunities and strategic options which are available to it. Atlas has confirmed that it is participating in the sale process for Chicago Skyway. However, the company has said there is still no certainty that a transaction will actually occur. Today, Atlas shares traded at $7.99 Australian, up by 0.13%. Alright, that's all for this edition of the top ASX buzzing stocks for the day. Another episode is coming your way tomorrow, but until then, make sure to keep it locked here on Kalkine TV for the latest market insights and business news. I'm James, signing off for now.